Just when we thought James Loudspeaker couldn't get any better, they have now introduced the new VXQ48R. This is their 4-inch speaker featuring the new Quadratech and Cymatic diffuser technology for ultimate performance. The diffusers correct high-frequency polar patterns. By doing this, they can achieve a more even tonal balance to extend the treble more consistently at any angle. The speaker is also totally configurable. It can be ordered with round or square grills, standard micro trim grills, or trimless grills. The speaker is an 8-ohm speaker, but can also be ordered as 70 volt. Not only they've improved the tweeters, but they've also improved the crossovers by aligning the tweeter and woofer for consistent dispersion. Just looking at this speaker, you know it's got some weight. This speaker weighs 6 pounds. Even though the speaker is a 4-inch speaker, it can still play down to 50 hertz. Its power recommendation is 5 to 100 watts. It's got a 4.5-inch driver and 4 half-inch titanium dome tweeters. Tell you what, if you're looking for a speaker that just outperforms and has a small, compact design, this is definitely the speaker for you. Don't forget, James Loudspeaker VXQ48R.